The title for this presentation today is actually the title of a paper that we wrote this year and presented at the PMI National Congress in Phoenix. And so the content is based on the paper and the presentation, and the presentation is available. Actually, it was printed in January on the PM World Journal website, and if you're interested, you can contact me and I will send you a copy of it. So let's get started. Exactly what is project business management? What is enterprise project business management? And what is a PMO framework and a PMO model, and how are these PMOs positioned in an enterprise? And what are the various types of PMO organization structures? There's a lot of confusion, I think, in the marketplace about this. What are the PMO types versus key PMO business and operational attributes and functions? And then I'm going to talk about what are the benefits and value most PMOs deliver, and why does the PMO positioning matter, and how are they mainly implemented? Well, let's first of all begin by defining exactly what PBM, or project business management, is. My partner and I created this term in our first book, and that was published in 2007. And basically, PBM it's an integration of business management and project management, those knowledges and skills and tools and techniques that are applied to portfolios, programs, and projects and processes. It's designed to meet or exceed stakeholder needs. It's developed to derive benefits and capture value through the project-related actions and activities. As a PBM enterprise management, EPBM, it's a business way of thinking. It's a way to communicate and working together between operations management and project management. And it's done to move the enterprise's project-based strategies and objectives forward. Methodology that we're talking about, well, it's a business methodology. It translates the vision, mission, goals, and initiatives and business objectives of an organization to execute portfolio projects and programs and to help better communicate what the objectives are. Focuses on sharing the purpose and the commitment of the organization enterprise-wide. It communicates the understanding of the primary ways to obtain success. It is a culture. It really affects the culture and the systems that provide the leadership. It provides a shared understanding of strategic initiatives at the tactical level and business objective level of resources, finance, and time. Let's see here. What's the driving culture shift? What causes enterprises, the PBM, to shift to an enterprise PMO? Well, first of all, it's the understanding of mission-centric challenges, strategies, and the related solutions. It's participation. It requires a full participation by the organization, from management down through the organization, to participate and define and pursue what those solutions are. It requires the knowledge of the business intelligence. It requires to understand what the customer's knowledge stream is and how and what solutions they are requiring. And finally, it really requires integrity of all the system data and processes. Basic culture traits driving the shift to enterprise PMOs. First of all, it's the understanding. Does the organization really understand its mission? Why does, to which the enterprise PMO really understands why it exists and what its direction is. One of the biggest problems that cause PMO failures is being able to articulate for the organization, why are they there? What are they doing? What's their purpose? Secondly, it's our participation. It's very important that individuals of all the levels of the enterprise are engaged to hold and provide the strategic direction and really own it as their own. Knowledge that requires the ability for the Enterprise PMO to know really what the customer's needs and wants are. Customers are external and internal. They're stakeholders in the organization. They really need to understand and you'll be able to adapt and provide the knowledge that they're looking for. And finally, it's the integrity. It's the consistency at which the PMO systems are producing procedures efficiently and effectively to achieve the enterprise's strategic initiatives. So these business issues and challenges are, first of all, the executive and senior management need to support the PMOs. The problem is, in many cases, it's limited or inconsistent or even non-existent. The PMO manager role is neither defined nor recognized. These are some of the reasons why PMOs have difficulty beginning and staying a long term. Projects exist outside of operations, and therefore business management functions need to support and serve that function. Project management is not fully delivered as a discipline within the business management arena. These are the reasons why, the primary reasons why, and the issues and challenges why PMOs are facing difficult times today. Enterprises need the PMO. It helps to shield operating organizations from being involved in project management processes. That's a different discipline, but they need to be the business focus for projects, programs, and portfolios. The positioning is key as a business driver, and they provide and ensure consistency in the practice of project management across the enterprise. Of the roles, business roles, and organizational positions of key stakeholders is an important aspect. Also, assisting in improving the alignment of the broader business strategies across the organization, and it ensures business delivery of the expected benefits and value. Today, being successful in projects and programs is just achieving completion of a project or program on schedule and in budget. Today, business leaders not only expect it, it's required, but what they really are looking for is what are the benefits and value? Are they measurable? Do they actually deliver what's intended to be delivered by the project and program? And finally, it really does assist the board and the executives to better understand how and why to deliver values and benefit to the organization. At PMO, the organization, Enterprise PMO, can facilitate the PM processes and systems across the enterprise. It does establish the project management and change management component within the organization. Change management is a huge element that the project office can provide. There's lots of changes going on in the marketplace today. There are changes within how business are being run and how to be competitive in the marketplace. And the PMO can certainly be a driving force to help organizations and executives to manage that change. It identifies and maximizes the return on project management. And finally, it enables a more efficient organizational change process. Well, what does that framework look like? This is